Ever feel your steering wheel is just too slippery? Or maybe it gets uncomfortably hot or cold? I used to dread long drives because of this. My hands would slip and it just felt unsafe. Plus, my old steering wheel cover looked worn out. That's when I found the Valleycomfy Microfiber leather cover. It's made from super soft, breathable microfiber leather. Honestly, it feels amazing every time I drive. The premium rubber inner layer adds a sturdy grip. No more slipping hands, even on sharp turns. I love how much control I have now. The anti-slip lining really makes a difference. And check this out, the packaging is next level. It comes in a frosted plastic bag, no creases at all. Looks brand new, right out of the package. Installing it was honestly a breeze. Just place it on top and press down. Use both hands to tighten it around the wheel. No tools, no fuss, just a perfect fit. Fits most steering wheels, mine is 15 inches. So it's pretty universal for most cars. Look at the stitching, so clean and stylish. It instantly upgraded my car's interior. Feels premium, looks premium, drives premium. Even after weeks, it still looks brand new. No fading, no peeling, just pure comfort. And it's breathable, so no sweaty hands. I actually look forward to holding my steering wheel now. Friends noticed the difference right away. They asked where I got it. Valleycomfy, of course. If you want better grip and comfort, try this. It's perfect for daily commutes or long road trip. No more slipping, no more discomfort, just smooth, confident driving every time. And it takes just minutes to install. No special skills needed, just your hands. It's the easiest upgrade you can make. Plus, it protects your original steering wheel. No more wear and tear showing through. Ready for a little luxury every drive? Give your car the Valleycomfy touch. Trust me, your hands will thank you.